Greetings, team. On behalf of the English department, welcome to the Literacy in Tutorials program online. Literacy in Tutorials, or LIT, is here to assist you 100%. On day 1, remember to administer your diagnostic test. In fact, into week 1, to make it easier, a prepared diagnostic test, or D test, has been provided for you. That is self-graded and can be accessed for your convenience. Should a student or students fail the diagnostic test with a score less than 70%, then it would be best to refer the student or students. Referrals are important. Into week 2, remember to be cognizant of that student's progress. For week 3, assess the student's English level again going into midterm. Reminder, if the student or student's overall score is below 70% in homework or assignments, remember to refer them. Midterm is here. By midterm checkmate, you know your absentees that are failing. Refer them. Nah, throw out the lifeline. Someone is sinking today. Remember week 4, midterm? Not midterm break. Should scores be below 70% in any of your classes, please refer them. Remember. Diagnostic test. Midterm exam. Difficulty in any specific topic. Fragment sentences. Subject-verb agreement, SVA, not D. A. Well, you may ask, can I refer a student who failing after midterm? Well, the answer is yes. Miracles can happen. As long as the student is willing to work harder, their hardest. This is important. Complete the tutor form. It is easy as 1, 2, 3. In your email, click on the link. Complete the form. Sender's email. Student's name, address. Email, cell phone, the specific area they have difficulty with, your name, your email address, and the phone contact. Then just click the submit button. Remember, tutorial session time is Monday to Thursday, 12 noon to 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Once LIT has received your referrals, the student or students will be notified via email, and then they will be invited to Zoom in at the specified time. The Zoom information is only for your information, FYI, should students forget. Remember to follow up and check to make sure students are attending. No student left behind. Also, for your information, once students are referred and verified, the student will be emailed and provided with a WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is only for consistent contact for follow-ups that will assist the student to be successful in your class. 808-9300. Literacy in Tutorials is for students who are in dire need of assistance. Remember, students should not refer themselves. It is the responsibility of the instructor to refer the student, so that you are aware of the student's success and achievement. Follow-up is key. Brian, what do you think?
LIT is here to assist. LIT is here to assist. LIT is here to assist.